All right, I'd love to give you great news today. Here's the reality. Rates have hit 6%. First time since 2008. I know that's terrible in some aspects, but I got good news. That's still lower than rates as an average throughout the history, or over 7% normally, right? Look, they're gonna continue to climb. There's no sign of them going down currently. But you know what else is climbing? Guess what? Rents. Matter of fact, rents since May was at $18.47 a month. Now, 3 months later, it's $22.75. Guess what's not locked in? Rents. So just know when you lock in your interest rate, you lock in your mortgage, that's for 30 years on a 30-year fix. So even if you're not ready today to buy a home, we completely understand. Let's work together with our first-time buyer workshops. We'll go over myths of buying a house, we'll go over the down payment programs, we'll go over credit, we'll go over the buying process, we'll go over the market update, and we'll even break down the city that you want to get into. So please, we understand you might not be ready today, but let's build the plan. If you have any questions on any of this, please reach out.